Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Fall is in the air and today we're creating this inspired, super simple splatter marble effect. Here are the polishes I'll be using for this mani. There's 5 shades here from the OPI Malibu collection. It's actually a summer collection, but I love how well these shades go together for fall. So first things first, I'm going to apply 2 coats of each polish. These polishes are really pigmented and creamy, so you can apply 1 coat or 2 coats depending on your preference. So now let's take the off-white shade, which is the Coastal Sanctuary polish, and we're going to add about 3 to 4 drops into a bowl of cold or lukewarm water. Okay, so here's how we're creating the splatter marble effect. You're gonna take some rubbing alcohol. It's best to use this in a bottle that has a spray nozzle top, and then we're gonna spray it directly into the water on top of the nail polish. So the nail polish is then going to separate right there in the water into small wavy pieces. You're gonna now dip 1 or 2 nails in the water and the pieces will now start to stick to your nail. So what's really cool about this process is that you can move around the nail polish pieces in the water and apply them to your nail with a nail art tool. You can spray the rubbing alcohol a couple times to get more pieces or create smaller ones. If you find that you're running out of nail polish pieces to apply to the rest of your nails, you can go ahead and clear the water. Here I'm removing nail polish pieces with a lint-free wipe from OPI Expert Touch. These have been such a game changer for me, like for real. I highly recommend these. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to check them out. So this part can get a little bit messy, so I recommend using cotton swabs to clean up around the cuticle area. Now I'm just going to do a little bit more cleanup around the cuticle with this nail art brush. Now to seal everything in, I'm taking my SC Gel Setter top coat and lightly gliding the top coat over my nails. It's really important here to not drag the brush as it may smear the design. And that's it. That is all, and I hope you enjoyed this mani. Let me know if you decide to try it out. I'll link all of the products in the description box below if you're curious and you want to take a look. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!